Greetings to all. My name is Ranjani. I'm a certified yoga instructor. When I talk about yoga, the concept of mudras have not become as familiar as the asanas, meditation and pranayama. In the existing situation of oxygen demand to treat COVID patients, IIT Madras has found in a research that a specific yoga mudra helps to improve the SpO2 value in patients who are getting treated for COVID. In this video, I am going to explain in detail about the steps to gesture this mudra and also share some useful facts about this mudra. Linga Mudra. This is one of the Hasta Mudra which is performed using our fingers and hands. This video will clarify you on how to do this practice in the right way along with the benefits, who should and who should not practice, what should one do after practicing this mudra. Let's get started. Sit on the floor in a comfortable position. Keep your body relaxed with your spine erect. Now you need to clasp your hands together with your left baby finger at the bottom. Your left thumb must be pointing to the sky with all other fingers closed. The tips of your right thumb and index finger must be making a ring around your left thumb. Apply slight pressure between your palms, making sure there is no air or space between the palms. Press the palms against each other with a gentle pressure on all the fingers. Once you have gestured the mudra, bring your hand towards the body, placing them between your chest. One can practice this in any of the shown postures, and people who cannot sit on the floor can make use of a chair or bed. Be aware to keep your spine erect when you perform this mudra in any position. It is good to practice this mudra 15 to 20 minutes in the morning and 15 to 20 minutes in the evening. If one cannot do 15 minutes on a stretch, can split into 3 times of 5 minutes with few minutes of break in between. COVID positive patients who are hospitalized or getting treated at home isolation can practice this mudra along with their treatments and medications. If practiced regularly, this mudra will reduce the infection in the lungs much faster and aid in speedy recovery. It is advised to frequently monitor the SpO2 level with a pulse oximeter, and if the level drops below the normal range, one should immediately seek medical attention. Meanwhile, this mudra can be performed as a first aid which will prevent sudden and further drop in SpO2 level. Please avoid wearing rings while performing this mudra. Beginners are advised to keep your eyes open and focus to keep the thumb erect. After a few days of regular practice, one should be able to do with the eyes closed. While practicing this mudra, one can concentrate on the breath or can chant simple mantras mentally. Alternatively, one can think of positive affirmations like I am healthy, I am getting better, I am happy, I am healed. These positive affirmations will strengthen the mind along with the physical body. Now let's talk about the benefits. This mudra strengthens the lungs, helps fight infections, will help to cure cough, cold, sinus and asthma related issues. This also strengthens the liver and abdominal sections. Helps reduce excess fat from the body, aiding weight loss. Helps improve the masculinity. Improves digestion and metabolism. This mudra also helps heal physiological stress. People who feel heavy-hearted can practice consistently to notice a good difference. This practice helps to cleanse the body from germs and infections. Contraindications: do not perform this mudra when you do not have any ailment, and one has to stop practicing this after recovering from the ailments. Do not perform this mudra for more than 45 minutes on a single day. One can practice when having fever and can split the 15 minutes of practice into 3 times of 5 minutes each with few minutes of break in between each session. Children can also practice this mudra when they have cold, cough or flu symptoms, but should avoid when having fever or high temperature. People living in cold countries or people who tend to stay longer in a cold area such as an air-conditioned office room can practice this to warm themselves down and manage to overcome shivering and hypothermia. Coming to the frequently asked question, which thumb should be pointed upwards? Doing this mudra with the left thumb pointing to the sky is advisable irrespective of age and gender. Try to do this mudra in a well ventilated space, and one may experience sweating, which is normal. In case one feels uncomfortable while performing this mudra, he or she can release the mudra, relax for a while and practice again. Do practice this mudra with trust and with no doubts whether or not it will work. Believe in what you're doing, and the belief in itself will be aiding to the betterment of health and faster recovery. Immediately after practicing this mudra, hydrate yourself well with water or fresh juice. Hydrating the body is important because this mudra generates a lot of heat in the body internally. Finally, to release yourself from the mudra, slowly unlock your fingers one by one, and very slowly separate your palms and rest your hands on your lap with the palm facing upwards. Sit in this position for a minute. With this, you complete the practice. Any more questions? Please do drop down in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and educate people who can benefit from this simple and powerful mudra therapy. Thank you.